Welcome and hello again. This is your host and fearless leader, Brian with Westcott Woodworks, and I've got a video that I am excited about today. It is one of the most talked about and probably underappreciated in some realms aspect of woodworking and carpentry that you've probably had happen to you, but at the same time it has got to be one of the most fulfilling things to do, and that is cleaning your glue roller. Now, I want to warn you, you cannot do this process if the glue is fresh and still wet. You must wait until it's completely dry to experience this. So I've done some glue ups yesterday, I think it was, and I've got this glue roller. I'm going to bring you in close here. You can see, look at all this. I mean, there's just glue dried all over this thing. The wheel, can't even turn it because there it goes. There's so much glue built up on there. So we're going to go through the process here of how to clean a glue roller. Now, there's a couple of things that you're going to need in order to clean your glue roller. One, and this should be obvious, is a glue roller. You're going to need yourself a nice utility knife, or putty knife, I guess you could use. And if you're not quite as manly as me, you may need some form of hammer or mallet. It's that easy. Set those to the side. First thing you do, I've got this glue roller. This is the one I use for Type Bond 2. Believe it or not, this process works also for Type Bond 3 and regular Type Bond, as most other types of wood glue, I would imagine, if they are a yellow wood glue. If you're using Gorilla Glue or some polyurethane, this will not work the same. So I got this from Kime Lumber, but they sell them all over the country. You could probably order them on Amazon as well. So the first thing you're going to do is pull this little arm off to the side. This is all just like a PVC or plastic. Pull the roller off. And then you're going to take, and the camera may wobble when I do this, but you want to get this center thing. Oh, never mind, I was able to push it out. You want to get the center cylinder off of here. Pull that out. If it's stuck in there, you can always take it and hit it on the table, and it'll push it up, and then just pull it out. So you can set this to the side. For now, we've got this roller, and we've got this. The first thing I usually do is I take my roller here, and you can see through it. This is rubber. Now, if you're manly enough like me, you won't need a hammer to do this. But if you need a little help, that's okay. That's all right. You can use that too. You're just going to take this on there. You're going to use your hand and just roll it. And you can hear that cracking sound as the glue shreds to pieces. Look at that. You got your nice little glue thing. And then you may have a few little pieces here that you've got to get off of here. And this is where your utility knife will come in handy. Don't actually cut the rubber. Just use the knife to scrape off the loose pieces that are really stubborn. Just get them all off of there. Get that nice and clean on that side. Almost like a potato peeler, except you're peeling glue and not potatoes. Again, don't cut into the roller itself. If you do, well, that's your problem. I told you not to do it. So here we go. Look at that. We got a nice clean roller. Take your other piece here. You can use your knife. Just flick off the excess glue that may be on there. Again, this has got to be dry to do that. And then, this is one of my favorite parts. See all these little stringy things? If you just get under that one's already coming off. You can break that one off. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, yeah. All right, got another one for you here. Look at that. It's like string cheese. But you don't want to eat this cheese. Look at that. All right, then I usually take the lid here and spin it off. Okay, so we'll take that out. Now look at this mess. I mean, what are you going to do with that? So you take this, just keep peeling. Just peel, peel, peel. It gets, you know, these things out of the corners even. it's very fulfilling. It's almost like when you have one of those things when you wake up in the morning in your eyeball and you're like, man, this is really annoying, and then you finally work it out, and it's just so fulfilling. This is the same thing with cleaning your glue roller. Just use that utility knife. You can kind of scrape. Want to get under there. Look at that. Just get right under here and break that off of there. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. All right. So we're getting somewhere on this thing. Just pull that off of there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Whole piece on the top there. This piece. It's really starting to look like a new glue roller. And again, you don't want to cut into the plastic pieces of this. I've warned you now several times, so if you're not listening, there's not going to be much hope. And then that last little eye booger. All right, look at that. That's all nice and cleaned out. And then you can go over here to your actual glue roller. Sometimes this ring right around the top gets on there. Just pull that off. Occasionally this will get hard. Just take your knife right in here. Look at that. We're going to pull this right off of here. Look at that. Whole chunk just came out. Sometimes I don't use the glue roller as much to hold glue as I do for actually as much as I do for just rolling. So this has obviously been a while. I mean, you could see it's pretty thick in there and dried out. So then we have to go through the process of reassembling this, which I don't want to overwhelm you because there are 4 parts to this. You'll turn this lid right back on here. You'll take this plastic cylinder, insert back into rubber roller, install rubber roller back on. Now watch this. Look at that. Look at the spinning on there. It's like a brand new roller. If you can't figure out how to reassemble this, just rewind the video and it'll do this in reverse order. So thank you for watching. I hope you are as fulfilled with that process as I usually am.